Have you ever thought someday Earth will run out of water because we keep on using them? Well, as it might very less likely to happen, that doesn't mean we should stop caring about our water resources. Hi, I'm Alarcon from 11th STEM 2. I'm a student who will research about ways and methods on how can us students help with conserving and protecting our water resources. So today, I will talk about the simple yet effective ways on how can we conserve and protect water resources. So first, at home. What are the simple ways we can do to conserve water at home is by using buckets and dippers instead of a shower. Did you know that when you take a shower, using a shower, you use for about 7 to 10 gallons of water per minute, which means you use this for about 70 to 100 gallons of water if you take a shower for 10 minutes. While as using a bucket and a dipper, you use for about 2 to 4 gallons of water each minute. So it's more than the half of the first one. The other thing you can do to save water at home is by closing the faucet while doing something else, such as brushing your teeth and soaping your hands. This way can significantly reduce the water consumption at our house, and it's also very important. Second is outside. What can we do to conserve water outside? Is by collecting rainwater. We can use the rainwater instead of running water to water our plants in our backyard. Also, in our country, we should be aware that there are lots of leakage happening in our country. In fact, 30% of good water is wasted through leakage. That's one third of our water that can be used for us. So, what we can do to help with this problem is by spreading awareness so that people would know what's really happening to our water resources in our country, which is very important. And lastly, when we're at school or any buildings, especially in the bathroom, the simple and effective ways we can do to conserve water is by closing the faucet while doing something else, just like when we were at home. We should close the faucet while we're washing our hands, just like soaping and also brushing our teeth. Also, we should always aim to flush the toilet once. These methods can significantly affect the water consumption in other buildings and schools. I would also like to talk about the habits we should do or we should have to conserve water resources. First thing is we should overall save water in general. By being aware of it, we can reduce the amount of water usage we do every single day. Also, we should spread awareness to other people about our water resources. And lastly, we should support water saving laws and programs. These habits, if done correctly or every day by lots of people, can significantly affect the reduce of water consumption in every day of life. In the end, protecting and conserving water resources isn't just a responsibility inside our houses, but also at any building, schools, and any other public places. Also, we learn about the simple yet effective ways of how can we conserve and protect our water resources. Now, even though Earth running out of water is very less likely to happen, that doesn't mean we should stop caring about our water resources. Even though we're still a student, that doesn't mean we should stop caring about our water resources. The result of what happened today is because of what we did before. It's us who will write our own future And again, every drop counts.